frames enable you to install an electronics interface panel that sits flush with the rim of a Peli Protector case. A panel frame kit will typically include the panel frame itself, brass inserts, mounting screws, and an O-ring seal. Make sure that the frame is correctly positioned prior to installation. Check for the model identifier and the word front. The frame should be installed at the front of the case with the text facing upwards, as the mounting screws will protrude through the case if installed in reverse. To install the brass inserts, place the frame with the model identifier facing down. Place the non-shoulder, small end of the insert into the hole, and push in with a Phillips screwdriver until fully seated on the shoulder. To secure the frame to the case, fully seat the frame onto the internal ribs. Next, insert a mounting screw into the hole and press firmly as you turn the screwdriver to start self-tapping. Continue to turn until fully seated or use a 90-degree drill motor. Install the O-ring into the channel between the frame and the case. The O-ring must be fully seated. Ensure that your panel completely covers the O-ring for maximum liquid and dust resistance. Once your panel is installed, be sure to screw into the brass inserts by hand, as applying excess pressure will push the brass inserts back out the other side. And that's it! Your panel will now sit securely in your case.